From a humble ₹10 for a cup of tea to ₹60 for a bag of wheat flour, digital payments are getting interlaced across smallest transactions, ushering a paradigm shift in the payments landscape of India. Unique digital payment solutions and innovations are breaking multiple barriers, such as the lack of awareness and infrastructure for digital payments among small retail merchants.
The most recent innovation in digital payments is the Soundbox. A Soundbox eliminates the need for the merchant to look at their phone to check the success of a QR transaction, as it plays an audio message confirming receipt of payment. At Hitachi Payments, we have gone one step ahead by building a platform which helps in customizing this message at an individual merchant level. For example, if it is a hospital, the Soundbox will say "Get well soon." If it is a bakery shop, it can say "Best wishes." A merchant can also play marketing offers from time to time. We currently support more than 10 languages on our Soundboxes.
Among our wide range of solutions, Hitachi Payments has developed a robust and comprehensive mobile-based merchant platform with a range of features including digital onboarding, multiple payment options, and value-added services, enabling end-to-end offerings for merchants, and a complete UPI stack to integrate thousands of merchants and millions of citizens into the digital ecosystem.
With a vision to financially empower citizens with fast, secure, and seamless payments, we at Hitachi Payments are making digital payments accessible to the remotest corners of India, which is powered by a very robust payment stack.
With its comprehensive cash solutions such as ATM services, cash recycling machines, and white label ATM, along with digital payment solutions, Hitachi Payments is fortifying India's payment landscape and strengthening a rising global and inclusive India.